Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And this one here just popped through my letterbox, and it should hopefully be the new issue of the ImagineFX magazine, which would be issue number 237 for April 2024. So far we've looked at these ones. This was the January one, February, and that was the last one at March. I particularly like these two covers, but my favourite cover so far is this one, and I think this one might be my favourite of the year. It's going to be in the top 3, I think. So let's get into this one. Georgie's going to help us get in. I'm very excited for this one. So what I try to do is get the back first so that you can't see the cover. Yeah, look, you can see through the envelope there, look. I think I remember this one being something to do with book illustration or something. That's what it said in, yeah, look. Becoming a book illustrator. Oh, this might be a nice cover. George has got us in, and we have a, look at that, look, looks like a beach scene to me. Hey, it's the one from the advert. That's nice, that is. See, that would be a nice poster. Well, yeah, a book cover, isn't it? That's a really nice one, that is. I still think that's my favourite though, because I like simple things focused on characters, and she's got such a cool look in her eye, look. So that's still my favourite one, but I love this one. Look at the style of it, look. These are cool characters, these are. And I like the sort of texture they've got going on. And it's nice colours as well, the blue and the yellow. Improve your illustrations. The cover artist, Tony DiTerlizzi. That's cool, I like the look of this character. So George just gets us in. That's a nice advert for Clip Studio Paint, look. Yay, Rob! Rob gets a kiss. Exploring a vintage studio. That'd be interesting. What tickles me fancy here? I think my favourite looking thing is this one. Learn how to develop a mood and atmosphere. And we've got a dragon. That looks cool. And that looks a bit like sort of a link as an animal. We've got some that's Green Lantern, I think. The art of Liam Sharp. This is going to be quite an interest. Hey, look! Yay! What I've noticed is each year they tend to have one issue focused on manga and one issue focused on comic books. So the next one, which goes on sale on 12th of March, that one's going to be a manga special. I can't wait for that. Love that one. See, if that's on the cover, that's going to be fighting for the top spot for covers. They are cool. Look, they did the cover for issue 198 as well. Oh yeah, I love these. See, again, I like animal characters as, you know, like talking animals. I think they're cool, they are. Got a very nice art style, that artist. I like that. He looks like from it's Magic the Gathering, look. This is the FX Pose. What I do on here is I just go through the issue quickly and see what we think. I like seeing the little faces up here. See that little bit of my desk down there? I'm going to just move that like that. Oh look, now I was trying to get it all, there we go, that's better. No, you can still see it. What's happened is I bought a You know, like these desks where you can either sit down or you can stand up and work. So this black thing here is actually a desk that goes up and down. So if I wanted to, I've got me Cintiq on here. I can actually stand up and do stuff on the Cintiq if I wanted to. These are nice as well. That's Alice. Oh, where's the little face? That one ain't got a face. Look, they're missing the face there. These are beautiful, these ones. Oh, these are nice as well. I like the colours of that one. Here's the rookies. Fish boy, look. Little fishy. Tech trends for 2024. They look cool. I was getting like an Assassin's Creed feeling from that. They've got beautiful artwork in this issue. Holly Jolly Paintathon. The winners. A day in the life of Chrystin Garland. Look out the way the different screens got different colours. Yay! Look, this is how would you say that? Boyan Ryan She and Zaya Zuri Snowy. Snowy Zhang. Snow from Final Fantasy 13. What I like about this is, look at that window, look at the view, look. I love looking at artists, like studios. Look, they've got a monitor side, long ways there. That's quite interesting, that room. I think the best thing is that if I was in there, I'd want to start painting those trees. Oh, that's good, because I was thinking there's no sort of there's no like little characters and stuff, but they've got like a corner set aside for the characters, little characters. Plants versus Kitty. Oh, I like that one. Look, you can see the two little faces there, look. There's one of them. And this one here looks like it's snowy. So they're, by the looks of it, they're boyfriend and girlfriend sharing an art studio. Which is quite cool. Letters! The Art of Liam Sharp. Green Lantern. Interesting. Here he is, look, is that him? Is that him there, look? Hello. He's pretending to work, look. Pretending to be working. Ready-made textures. So he's opposite. A little bit, oh cool, that's nice. Catwoman cover. Future State Catwoman issue number 2. That's nice, that is. Oh, look how that pops, look. Who's that? Is that Lady Dread? Huh. Yeah, look. Judge Dredd and Judge Anderson. Mr. Anderson. Mrs. Anderson. I didn't know there was a Mrs. Dredd. The Sketchbook of Velibor Stanojevic. That's a bit weird, isn't it? It's like his head's a bit too small or something for his thing. That, I love that. That's cool, that is. What I like about this is all the lines, because it's sort of, you can feel like the you can feel like the speed of the character in that. That's cool. Look, there's another one. You see this one, like the heads, it's like proportions are weird. Almost like you're looking in, you know those mirrors at the fairgrounds where things get warped? That looks like, and that looks like it as well. And these actually. Yeah, this is weird, this is. It's got very strange proportions. Look. I love the way they use colour. Look at that. How nice is this one? Look. These two here. I love that one. I like all this sort of the brush strokes on it. The lighting. I love the way they use colour. Going into the workshops now, look. Designing an engaging book cover with Tony DiTerlizzi. That's cool. See, I'd like to see more about this character. I'd like to see... Hey, look! What's this? Inspirations from the Masters. I'll tell you what I do like is when you see... Someone's designed a book cover and you see the alternative covers that they didn't go with. The Search for Wanderer. Hey, cool. Yeah, look, this is it. That's what I meant, the variants. Yeah, no, that's definitely the best one. Do you think that is? I think it is. I think they went with the best one. I quite like that one though. What I like about this one is it just feels right. I think it's the colours I like on that one, because they're more friendly. That's nice, look. Preparing a colour palette with Fernando Suarez. That's cool, isn't it? Look, a nice little hint of leg there, look. So you've got a bit of sexiness with the sort of craziness. Oh yeah. Shape powerful fantasy figures. This is another beautiful one. Oh, if that, I would like that to have been the cover, I think. I love this cover, but see that, like I said, I like covers focused on one character. I like this character here. That's cool. I like the colours again. Yay! Develop a mood and atmosphere. Look, we've got the sketch here, look. That was the sketch. That's the finished one. How cool is this? Who's this then? The artist is Jolene from Singapore. I love that. Again, I would say that's probably my favourite illustration from this issue, I think. It's a cool character. Oh, I do love that sketch though. She looks really sweet and innocent in that sketch. Clip Studio paint they used. That's cool, that is. Convey ideas at first glance with Kate Fedorchuk. What I love most here is the brush strokes. Look, you can sort of like feel the feels like it's sort of squidgy and chunky. Part 3 of the Anatomy Master Charlie Pickard. I like that. I'm not sure about that hand there, you see. But when I was going to life drawing class, very often you would draw something and it was right, but it didn't look right. It was weird. A lot of us said that. A lot of us said, we'd say, I've drawn that and it is exactly the way it is, but it just doesn't look right. That's like one of those, I think. Things look a bit odd. I think if that was me, I would have actually not put that hand in, I think. Look at that, look. Keeping it simple and impactful. With Maximilian. Maximilian? That's cool as well, look. I like that. What connects them is the fire. Dragons. Oh, cool. Yukoring. Look. How beautiful are these? Watercolour. Oh, I love these. This is an artist to look into. They're beautiful, they are. Yuko Smith. Agent Smith. Stella. These are cool. These are like, I could imagine these in a storybook as well. These little mischievous gnomes. Paint a blazing dragon scene. That's nice. There's a new game coming out soon called Dragon's Dogma 2. And the original Dragon's Dogma was one of my all-time favourite games on the PS3. And what happened was, I was playing it and I was at the time, this was like 10, 15 years ago or something. And I was telling everyone at work how cool it was. But nobody thought it was a good game. And then I go away from gaming, come back, and suddenly everyone thinks Dragon's Dogma is the best game ever. It's weird that. I think what happened was, nobody played it, somebody played it and said it wasn't very good, so everyone who didn't play it believed the person who said it wasn't very good. Whereas when people started playing it, they realised how good it was. That was really, I like this one. The thing that struck me was how there was like a load of really nice full page illustrations in this one. And some beautiful artists to look into. Look at that, I mean I'd put that on my wall, I would. That's brilliant. Yeah, this artist here is very intriguing to me. I'd like to go and see more of their artwork. Just to see like what their finished work looks like. Because they're really messing around with like perspective, proportions and things. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 237 of the ImagineFX magazine for April 2024. And these are the ones we've had. These are the 2024 ones so far. We've had a bit of everything really this year. We've had a cartoony character. We've had a realistic sexy. We've had a beautiful female character and like an illustration. And then next time we've got manga. So I can't wait for that. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.